In today's video, I asked Gemini to analyze my data right here in Google Sheets. So this is part of our Gemini series where I show you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets. Now, if you want to check out the full playlist, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to click and watch. Let's say you are dealing with a large set of data, or somebody has shared their spreadsheet to you, and you want to quickly analyze what it's all about. So Gemini works as an AI analyst built directly here in Google Sheets, and it can definitely transform the way you analyze data. So if we want to quickly analyze this example data right here, we can do that in two ways. The first one would be if I click inside any part of my table right here. We will have that pop-up that will say analyze this data right here. So that's under Gemini. Another way to do this would be to quickly go to Gemini here at the end of your menu bar. If you click on that, here are options. And at the top, we have Analyze Data. You can also do this with Ask Gemini here at the top right corner. If you click on that and simply say, Analyze this data, you could also do that. But we're going to do this by clicking on the pop-up right here, which will again say, Analyze this data. Now we basically do the same, open the Gemini panel on the right side, and enter the prompt, Analyze this data. So right now, Gemini reads your table, understands your column headers, detects patterns, and identifies trends, summaries, and outliers automatically. It scans your entire dataset in the background and turns raw numbers into clear insights, such as key takeaways, explanations, charts, and even pivot tables. And all we have to do would be wait. And here we have the results. So again, it can show you some visualizations and clear insights like our key takeaways right here. So we have 1, 2, 3 key takeaways and an explanation for our charts, which are our visualizations. So this means less manual work for you, fewer errors, and faster analysis, making data insights accessible even if you're not an expert in spreadsheets. And so with Gemini, data analysis in Google Sheets becomes faster, smarter, and straightforward. It helps you make confident, data-driven decisions without needing advanced skills. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.